Why do I call Islam degenerate?
Why, Bob?
Let me give you some examples.
Give it.
Islam is degenerate because it teaches adult breastfeeding. No word of a lie. I was shocked when I read this myself. In the Islamic custom, the Islamic tradition, if you're outside of someone's family and you want to be adopted inside that family so that you can be seen by the women as halal rather than haram, you have to suckle the breasts of the mother of the family. And if you suckle and the Muslim says, we're jealous, no, we're not, that's degenerate. It's as degenerate as going to a nightclub and chatting up some slut in a short skirt and taking her to bed for the night. It's just as degenerate. But that's what Islam teaches. There's nothing like that in Christianity. Nothing like that in Christianity. You adopt someone because you love them, and that is enough to include them in your family. Incidentally, Muslims don't even have a concept of adoption, which is because Muhammad wanted to marry the wife of his adopted son. So he abolished adoption to make it legal for him to pursue his fancy of his adopted son's wife. That's degenerate, ladies and gentlemen. We're not answering the degeneracy of the West. We would be replacing it with another one.